Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to sell affiliate products on TikTok Shop. If you want to know how it's done, then this video is for you. So as you can see right here, I am actually on my TikTok Shop Seller Center. So in order to actually head over and sell affiliate products, what you can do is you can actually just head over in here to a new tab, and on the search bar that we have right here, you can actually head over and go to the affiliate.tiktok.com. So let's try to go to that particular page. And then as you can see right here, we have in here a new TikTok Shop Center. This one is the affiliate center, while this one is a seller center. So if you're actually a TikTok Shop seller, then you should be able to also have this affiliate center. So this particular website is actually built for your affiliates that you can have. So on the home page right here, you have in here this affiliate tutorial on how to do this. But since you're on the right video and this is quite long, then you're on the right video in order to make this happen. You don't need to actually complete this task. You can just head over and open your first collaboration. So under in here, you can click on this create now. But if you can't locate it, you can just head over and click on this collaboration and click on this open collaboration. So from in here, let's head over and click on this create now. And then once you have done that, you should be able to just see in here this one. So as you can see, you can actually add a WhatsApp account and email address to receive messages from creators that you can actually expose into. And as you can see right now, we have 0 added products yet. So what we can do is you can head over and scroll down, click on this add products right here. And as you can see, you should be able to see this. You can add particular products as an affiliate. So head over and click on OK. And you can see in here this one, which is to add the collaboration. So in here, if your product is actually available, you can click on this add the collaboration right here. And then once you have done that, you should be able to do this. However, you can also click on this auto add products. As you can see right now, it's turned off. You can head over and click on turn on right here by clicking on this tab, and then it will open in here commission rate. So you can set in here a commission rate. They have a suggested commission of around 8% to 15%, but actually some sellers are putting in little, like for example only 1% right here, but some are also putting in 20% or 25%. So this one actually depends on how much you can actually give to them. So for example, for this, let's put in here a 10% commission rate. So let's head over and click on submit right here. And then as you can see, the auto add products has been turned on. And now next thing we need to do is we only have this one product right here. So what we can do is you can head over in here to our TikTok Shop Seller Center, click on this products right here, click on this manage products, and then once you have done that, you should be able to see this manage product tool. So what you can do in here is you can actually head over and add product. You can also see in here this bulk auction where you can actually put in here a bulk listing, wherein if you click on this, you should be able to see in here this upload listings on bulk right here that they actually offer, wherein you can put in here, you can download the template that they have on their actual bulk template tool, and you can just upload the spreadsheet right here. So for example, right here, let's download the template. So you can actually fill out the bulk template that they have right here, as well as the image URL and all of these things. So for this one, you can actually do this. So what you can do is you can just browse the categories that you want to choose. So for example, for this, let's choose this beauty and personal care. And then you can select the brands that actually support this. They have a lot of brand right here. So just head over and then choose a brand. Click on this add new brand right here in order to add that. Now you can see in here the download template. So click on that. And then as you can see, this will load like this. Once it's done loading, this should be able to actually let you download the particular template that will enable you to add some products. So as you can see, download has been successful. Now the next thing you need to do right here is to just upload the spreadsheet right here. Just attach the spreadsheet that you have created through this method. Now another thing that you can do is you can actually just add this one by one. To do that, head over and click on this add new product that they have right here, and then as you can see, this will load a new page on your TikTok. So this new page that you have will actually show you this basic information wherein you can just upload the images that you want added. So for example, for this, let's head over and upload a local file that we have on our actual computer and add this right here. So let's add this, and I have this picture of a t-shirt, and this is actually now uploading. So in here, let's just wait for this to upload, and as you can see, it's been added right here. So let's scroll down and you can also put in here the product name. So for example, let's put in here black t-shirt. And then you can also select in here the category that you have right here. So actually this product name must have 25 characters, so make sure that you have those 25 characters right here. So I have added this one. Now in here, you can actually see in here that we actually have this category options. Like for example, men's and underwears, men's top t-shirts. So you can choose the category that you want to add this particular product into. So just choose one and actually see right here, this will load like this. You can also choose in here the brand that you can actually use for this particular product. But if you don't have a brand, then you can just head over and not choose any brand that you have. Once you have done that, you can actually see in here the product attributes. So you can put in here quantity per pack. I'll just choose one. You can also put in here care instructions as well as a season for this. And in here, since this is a cloth, you can have this clothing length. So let's put in here medium, and the sleeves length is a short sleeve. The occasion right here will be casual. So this product attributes right here actually change depending on the category that you have chosen. So just choose in here anything that you actually want chosen for this one. So I'll just head over and then just choose the ones that I want to use for this. So you can also choose a sleeve type, the style for this, as well as a size type and design that you have. Under this one, you can see in here the product details, wherein you can actually use this AI in order to generate the product description. So for this one, I'll just head over and copy the product name that I have, and I'll just paste it right here. And then after that, click on this generate option. And once I have done that, as you can see, this will help me generate the product description for this particular product. So click on keep right here, and as you can see, it will be added. You can click on this template that you have for the size chart, or you can also select or upload image for this one. You can also upload video for this. So let's choose a video from a local file. I'll add this one. And then as you can see, this will look like this, and this will upload in just a few seconds. So while it's uploading, let's head over to the sales information. Let's enable the variations right here, or you can also just enable that. So you can also put in here the price that you want to sell it for, as well as the quantity that you have available for this one, as well as SKU that you have for this particular product. Now you can also put in here the shipping weight. So for example, let's put in here 300 grams. And for the product dimensions, let's put in here 50 by 20 by 40. Now in here, you can have the delivery options. This one is actually depending on what kind of delivery or what kind of country you have. So on the Philippines that I am currently on, I should be able to have this on default. You can also enable cash on delivery if you want as well. So after that, click on this submit for review right here once you're done with everything that you have for this one. So let's click on this, click on submit. Then as you can see, this will load like this, and as you can see, it's congratulated me, and I can actually head over and then see that the product was put under review. So let's head back in here on our affiliate center, and in here we can actually just refresh this. And then once we have refreshed this, we should be able to see all of the products that we have currently right now. So this one is not added, and you can actually see that we have auto on products right here. So once this particular product has been approved, it will be added right here, and it will be open for collaboration per people that wants to be our affiliate. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.